Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is February 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Cummins' recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cummins has reported strong results for the fourth quarter and the full year 2024, despite some challenges in the market. I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cummins reported fourth quarter revenues of $8.4 billion, which is a slight decrease from the same quarter last year. However, they achieved a net income of $418 million. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. While the revenue saw a 1% decline, the net income of $418 million is a significant improvement from a net loss in the previous year. This turnaround is largely due to operational efficiencies and strategic reorganization actions, particularly in their Accelera segment. The EBITDA margin for the quarter was 12.1%, reflecting strong profitability despite the revenue dip.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $4.68 for Cummins, but the actual EPS came in at 3.2 cents. What were the factors contributing to this discrepancy, John?
The primary factor was the $312 million in charges related to the strategic reorganization of the Accelera segment, which impacted the EPS by $2.04 per share. These were mostly non-cash charges, but they significantly affected the bottom line. Without these charges, Cummins would have likely met or exceeded the analyst expectations.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performance. The engine and component segments saw declines, while distribution and power systems experienced growth. What insights can you provide on these results?
The engine segment sales were down 2%, due to softened demand in global heavy-duty truck markets. The component segment faced a 17% decline, primarily due to the separation of Atmus and lower demand. On the other hand, the distribution segment grew by 13%, driven by increased demand for power generation products. The power systems segment saw a 22% increase, largely due to heightened demand in the data center market.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Cummins has provided guidance for 2025 with a revenue forecast ranging from a 2% decrease to a 3% increase. What are the strategic initiatives that Cummins is focusing on to achieve these targets?
Cummins is continuing to invest in its Destination Zero strategy, focusing on sustainability and zero-emissions technology. They've launched the Cummins Helm engine platforms, offering advanced diesel and alternative fuel options. Additionally, they've increased their dividend for the 15th consecutive year, demonstrating confidence in their cash flow and long-term growth prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cummins has delivered a strong performance in 2024, with record full-year revenues and net income. Despite some challenges, their strategic initiatives and focus on sustainability position them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Cummins' ability to navigate market challenges and focus on long-term growth through innovation and strategic investments is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in zero-emissions technology and market expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cummins' performance in the comments below.